Companies like Google, Yahoo, and YouTube have been making a lot of money online for years, and now it's your turn. For the first time ever, a company has designed a system that pays you automatically. Imagine getting paid over and over again just for sending people to a home page that pays you whenever they spend time on the internet, regardless of where they go and what they do. In fact, with over 100 billion web pages on the internet, your opportunity to get paid on every single one of them is endless, because we have the only system that allows you to get paid anytime they log onto the internet. It's that simple, and it doesn't matter what browser they're using, Internet Explorer, Firefox, or any other browser. Once it is set up, every time they use the internet, you get paid. It really is the simplest business in the world. All you have to do is give away something for free that pays you over and over again. You don't need to know anything about technology or the internet to make this work for you. If you have internet access and can click a mouse, this system can change your life for the better. Just imagine getting paid automatically every time your friends and associates log on to Facebook or YouTube or any of the most popular social networks, search engines, news sites, or any other popular site they love. Now, you may ask, why on earth would anyone want to use this system? Why would they go to a very special homepage that pays you every day? Quite frankly, what's in it for them? The quick and easy answer is money, prizes, and giveaways simply by doing the things they do on the internet every day, from checking their email to watching YouTube. From work to play, they have the ability to get paid just like you do, only not nearly as much as you do, because they are free users and you are the paid representative. Is this too good to be true? How can we afford to pay you on free users? Exactly the same way that the largest sites on the internet like Google, Facebook, MySpace, and YouTube have been doing for years, by tapping into the same powerful advertising revenue that has generated billions of dollars in profits for these companies and sending them right back to you and your free users. 3.5 years and millions of dollars have been spent on this dynamic system with completely exclusive technology that no other company in the world has. No other company in the world can give you what we have. This system, this opportunity, if you take action now. The product and the timing couldn't be better. There is no competition. Your perfect window of opportunity is right now to start cashing in on the world's biggest internet trend with the only company in the world with this proven system. Start getting paid today by clicking on the Join button and becoming a representative now.